Hi, I'm Keith Sorem with the Keith Sorem Team at Keller Williams. This is the real estate market report for March 2009 for Glendale, California. We use a market index to evaluate the market from month to month. Above 1.2 is the seller's market, between 1.2 and 0.8 is neutral, and below 0.8 is a buyer's market. And we've been in a buyer's market for about 3 years. The market index jumped 12 points. One of the single biggest jumps we've seen in the past 2 years. It's now at 0.38. Meaning it's still a very strong buyer's market, but it was a big improvement. We've seen definite lack of activity or slowing down of activity because of some of the bad economic news that's come out. But things are beginning to pick up. We had 87 new listings come on the market, and that's compared to 82 last month versus 153 last year. So like other markets, we're seeing a reduction in the number of new listings coming on the market. If you're a buyer and you're looking at buying a home, the normal thought of buyers is, gee, there's lots of inventory out there, I'll be able to take my time. Not true. There's actually less inventory, and this is what's interesting. Pending listings. We had 63 listings enter escrow compared to 35 last month and compared to 35 in 2008. That gave us a pending ratio of 0.72, up from 0.43 last month and up 0.23 the year before. So we're seeing fewer new listings coming on the market, but more of those listings going into escrow. Listing inventory is also reducing. We have 306 listings on the market right now, down slightly from 312 last month, but more importantly down from 454 last year. So we're seeing fewer new listings coming on the market. Of those that go on the market, we're seeing a greater proportion going into escrow, and we're seeing reduction in our listing inventory. Obviously what's fueling that in part is reduction in price. Now we had 54 homes sell compared to 39 last year. So we're selling more homes, but we're looking at a price drop of about 10%. The average sale price last month was $548,000. That's down 10% from last year. So we've seen some larger drops year on year, which makes me think we're beginning to approach the bottom of the market. Now, how much farther it might go, I don't know, but bottom line is price and interest rate will control the actual price or the monthly payment that you have to pay. So if you take advantage of the low interest rates, and you're a first-time home buyer, and you haven't owned a home in 3 years, that's an $8,000 tax credit from Uncle Sam. Plus, if it's new construction, you can get another $10,000 from the state of California. So you'll probably have questions. Please feel free to call 1-888-284-2056 or see me online at beautifulglendalehomes.com. This is Keith Sorem signing off.